Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I have decided to start a new course about WordPress for beginners. If you don't know about WordPress and eager to learn about it, I will teach you how to use WordPress, how to build professional websites with WordPress, and how to manage WordPress websites. We will also learn about how to use different plugins like Elementor, Gutenberg, and WooCommerce, etc., and how to use different themes. In short, you will learn everything about WordPress or WordPress websites. In this video, we will start from the basic steps and see how to buy a hosting and domain for your website. If you want to build a website, then obviously you need a hosting and a domain name. If you don't know about hosting and don't know which is the best web hosting that will suit your needs, then check out my video about comparison of hosting websites that is attached with the iCard on the top right corner. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. Now we are on the HostGator website and we will see how to buy the hosting from HostGator website and how to buy a domain name for your website. And you can see there are some features are available. So here we will simply click on get started, and there are plans are available. Now you can choose your plans according to your requirements. We will go with the baby plan, that is 65% off. Click on buy now, and now you can register your domain here. If you already have a domain name, then don't worry, click on I already own this domain and write your domain here. Now if I don't have a domain name, I will search it here and see if the domain name is available or not. So let's see, affiliates.com. Now he will search it and check if the domain is available or not. Affiliate domain is not available. Basically we will go with .com domain. Now let's see, affiliate products. Let's see if this domain is available. Yep, there is a domain affiliatesproducts.com that is available, and it is free for 1 year. Now he will choose the package that has already been chosen. Now he can choose the month. I will go with 36 months plan, that is 64.82% off. And now here I will write my email address. Here I will write my security pin. Here I will write my password. And now here we will enter our billing details. I have added the billing details also. Alright, now we can add the PayPal address. Now here some additional services are available. If you need these services, you can choose these. For example, SSL certificate is necessary because it will help you against spammers or hackers. Now you can choose professional email if you want, but I'm not going to choose this, and I am not going to choose HostGator SEO tools. You can add a coupon here if you have any. Now here you can review your order details. Alright, the total amount is 228. and some cents. Click on checkout now. Now you can enter your PayPal information and buy this domain. That is easy. Alright, we have seen so far that how to buy a domain and hosting. I hope you enjoy this video. Kindly like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care. We will see you in the next video.